If you've experienced
well, it's
any
April
significant
Fools,
trauma,
and this
chances
is one
are
of my
there's some
favorite people in the whole wide world.
stuff that you probably will want to
But
process
we
and
need
work
to
on.
sign
But in
off
particular,
from
if people comment that you don't seem to get over it, you don't seem to be the same, you might need help.
talk about the progress in the shop. This has been doing its duty rather swellly. Let me zoom out a tad. And we now have this guy, our movable lumber bin. I got to put in 2 more shelves here and here, right here. You can see the inside, it's been cut. Excuse me. So we got 5 bins, 1, 2, 3, 4 bins. And this is solid wood. This is plywood. This is all cut for French cleats. Here's some wall cleat material, along with his buddy right over here. And on the other side, we've got storage up here. On the other side is our sheet goods side for right now. I really don't have much in the way of sheet goods, but I do have some sheet goods. And the biggest sheet good I have is the cutting sheet that I will be putting down on top of my, this is 48 by 48, that I'll be probably cutting in half, or since I've got this at 51, this is supposed to be 48 across, but I wanted to give myself an extra 3 inches for being able to clamp. So we got 51 inches here, and I'll probably cut these down to 51 inches so that we can cut on top of this, and instead of cutting into this, we'll be cutting slightly into this guy. But anyway, that's we've pretty much functionally completed the movable lumber, what will we call this, dolly? And yes, it does move. It's heavy, and I need to put some handles here, and I need to also put the same kind of router quarter round on here, so I don't get in other words, take all the sharp edges off. But structurally speaking, it's there, and we need to, and I've still got room to pass. This guy, I think, is going to be going under there if we take the feet off, and I've got some big cans, and we're gonna think about putting a deck down here, so that on this side we'll have the vacuum, and this side will be the air handler, and then we'll put in some electric, kind of like this right here. And yeah, this is just like the Franken bench. It ain't pretty, but it's functional. So thank you, guys. And you know who you are, and I can't remember who you are because I'm getting old and I'm an old fart. So there you go. That is the story, and I'm sticking to it.